Hi everyone, as I told you in the morning, if Bank Nifty break 47,800 level, so it will fall for a more points, and same thing happened today. Okay, so there are lots of strategies and lots of things in a market that we should understand, like what is equity market, commodity, futures, options, forex, how to start trade, how to place order, how to trail sl, how to book profit, how to find the best stock, how to study chart, candle pattern stick, option chains, what is mean by pcr ratio, pe ratio, how to find resistance and support, how to find trend line. So there are many things that we should understand, but the first step of trader is how to open trading account and where to open account, which broker is the best for that. Okay, so today we will discuss about the same thing. So there are many brokers available in a market like Zerodha, Angel One, then Motilal Oswal, but you can go with any broker, but normally I'm using Zerodha Angel One. So I would suggest that, and I will show you how to open demat account in a Zerodha Angel or any broker. Before go further, you should be ready with your PAN card, Aadhaar card, 6-month bank passbook PDF, then one paper and pen. Okay, open Play Store and download any app according to your choice. Then click on sign up and fill up the further details, or else open Google, then type there sign up kite or Zerodha, then it will ask for your number, put your number there, then click on continue button, then it will ask you for a OTP. Okay, then enter OTP here and click on continue. After that it will ask you for your name and mail ID, then enter your mail ID here, then again click on continue button, then it will ask you for the OTP which you will receive on your given mail ID. Now enter OTP here. After that it will ask to fill up the details about your PAN card, date of birth, then click on continue button, then it will ask to fill up your Aadhaar card details. After that upload your 6-month bank statement PDF, then one selfie photo with a mention number, and then the process will be completed, and within a 2-3 days your account will start. You will receive the mail for the same. In next video we will learn how to place order, how to book profit and trail sl. So for more video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.